Hi guys, everything today is all about AI and fashion is not left behind. So today I'm going to be introducing you to 8 AI tools for your fashion design business and also the simple home sewer. So it doesn't matter if you have a fashion design business or if you just want to make clothes for yourself, you'll find something in these 8 AI tools that I'm going to introduce you to in this video. So without wasting time, let's start with number 8. Why I use ChatGPT image to prompt is that, let's say you want to create a clothing line and you have an idea of what you want, but you need something to be able to, inspire you to be able to create some designs as a clothing line. So what I do is I get into the Google or I go to Pinterest, I look through the styles, and then I can pick up a style. Like this style, I got it from the internet. And when I picked up this style, I came to my chat GPT and uploaded this style. Now, to be able to upload this style, you need to go to ChatGPT GPTs. Once you have opened your ChatGPT, sorry, if you don't know what ChatGPT is and this is your first time of hearing it, I don't know where you've been. Everybody knows ChatGPT. But it's quite easy to sign up. You just need an email and a password. And once you do that, it opens up to this place. And if you look at the left side of your ChatGPT account, you'll see something called Explore GPTs. If you click to this Explore GPTs, you have a lot of different GPTs that people have created to do all kinds of things. GPTs that can convert images to text, that can read images and give you some prompts to be able to create such images. But the good thing I like is that even if it gives you a prompt, the images it will create will not be exactly like this. So this is where this idea comes in. So once you put in something like that, like I was able to upload this up to here, and I asked it to, you know, give me a suggestion, a prompt that I can use to regenerate this kind of thing. And this is the prompt it gave to me. Now, when I copy this prompt and then I come back and put it back using prompt to image. Prompt to image. First, I used picture to prompt and now came back and used image generator. This is what it gave to me. As you can see that even if it looks a little bit the same, it is not completely the same. If you want to compare the two, it's not completely the same style. But that idea is there, an off-shoulder style with a lot of frills and all that. So you see, with this kind of thing, you can be able to create styles from one style just by changing the prompt. I'm sure if I change the prompt now, it will give me something else. If I change the prompt a little bit, let me see if I medium short stylish woman, I can change it gracefully pleated A-line dress, standing this. Maybe I can just change it to let me see. Let me copy this. And then perhaps change it a little bit. Paste it back here. A-line skirt. Maybe I'll put I won't put it on A-line skirt. Let me change the skirt. Maybe graceful fitted skirt. Gracefully fitted skirt. So let's see what it gives us once we change that. So let's see what it will come up with once we change that Just to let you know that you can use ChatGPT to be able to, create your clothing line just from one picture that you like. Either you can get your picture, see, completely changed. It gives you something else. See what I mean? It gives you complete something else, but at the same time, a beautiful style. So you see what I mean? So you can use your chat GPT. So go ahead and try that out and let's go to number 7. Now number 7 is called Outfit Anyone AI. This is particularly useful to you if you run a fashion store where you sell different kinds of clothes. Your customers can do virtual try-ons and see what they look like in different styles without having to leave the comfort of their house. You can even try it on to see what you look like on different kinds of outfits. And then maybe you can use a picture of yourself and be able to do a lot of things with it. Example here, you can put on a t-shirt, take a picture of yourself, and then take a picture of the dress style, and then you can automatically, try this dress on virtually to see what you look like. Now, this is very, very wonderful. As I said, most especially if you have a fashion store where you sell all kinds of clothes. That is what this is all about. So, how exactly does this work? So, this is the outfit anyone. Let's say you want to use it. How do you use it? So, first of all, you have to upload a picture of yourself or a picture of your customer that you want to try. That's me. I've uploaded a picture of myself here. And then right here, I'm going to upload a picture of the kind of gown I want to try on. So you can do that. I want to upload this directly from my computer. I had a gown that I've downloaded on my computer. So I am going to upload that gown onto this outfit anyone dot AI, and that is the gown. I want to see how I look like in that gown. Then I'll go ahead and copy the prompt I used to generate this gown. So when I copy that prompt, I will now come and put it right here. As you can see, I put in the prompt, and then I'm going to scroll down and I'm going to click on try on. You click on this try on, and once you click on it, normally it will take some time before it can generate the picture of you in this new gown. So I click on try on. If you can see right here, it's going to take some minutes before you can generate it, but that is where it's going to generate the new look of me wearing this style. It's really very, very nice and very, in fact, I just love it because you can generate any style. Look at me now wearing this style. I really do not know what happened here. It's as if I don't have hands here. But at least you get the picture of how you can use this. It's really amazing. You can use it to do a lot of things. You can generate a style with prompt, and then you can see how that style looks on you automatically using this outfits anyone dot AI. It's really amazing. So you can either upload a style that you generated or you can use the styles they already have there. So now I've used an external style. Let me now use their own style. I used this style, but it didn't look so nice. Probably because I did not change the prompt. It didn't look so nice. So I decided to try another one, hoping that it will look much better than that. I tried this t-shirt with a rabbit to see how it will look like. And as I said, it actually takes some time before it can actually show you the what it looks like. I think it takes up to a minute or so to show you what it looks like. So that is me there. I think I prefer this one to the navy blue one. Anyway, essentially, you've gotten the gist. That is what this particular AI, outfit anyone AI.com, can do. I will put all the links below this video so you can go ahead and try your hands on it. Now, number 6 is Canva Dream Lab. This is my Canva account. Once you get to your Canva account, just go to Make Me an Image, and it takes you to Canva Dream Lab. I'm a pro user, so I have over 400 points to use. And for each design, it normally gives you 4 kinds of designs. So how do you use this? I'm going to tell you the way I use it to generate different kinds of designs that I want to be able to sew. If I don't have an idea of what I want to sew, I just get into Pinterest or I go into Google and I just look for a design. And once I get that design, what I do is that I go to ChatGPT using this picture to prompt GPT. I upload a picture that I have, I upload it from my computer. I have a few pictures of some styles. Let me see. Custom body. Let me see. Where is that style now? This one. I open it. So that's the style. I love this style. So what I do is that I will just tell it to suggest a prompt based on this image. Let me just copy this. And I'll just write suggest a prompt based on this image and I'll just upload it. So let's see what prompt is going to give me based on this image. So it gives me a prompt. Now what I'll now do is that I copy this prompt that it has given to me. I copy it and I go back to Canva Dream Lab and I paste it right here. And I want to see what it will create for me first. As I said, once you create in Canva Dream Lab, it will create 4 different kinds of styles for you. See, the style is created for me, different kinds of styles. Let's get a close look at this one. So you see, different style, and it looks beautiful. So now, once I do that, I go back again and I paste that same prompt. I remove this one, I paste the same prompt, and then I add that image. So I go here, I select upload file, and I get the same style. That's the style, and then I create again. You'll see that it will give me completely different kinds of styles again. So you see, this way you can generate all kinds of styles. Sky is your limit. Can you see what it is giving me? Quite different from the first one. Beautiful styles, elegant styles that you can use, you can sew, you can create a catalog with it to give to your customers. They can choose the style they want. Beautiful styles. Just look at this design. And you can do with Ankara. Beautiful. So that is number 6. Number 5 position is patterned.ai. Now, this is not, this has nothing to do with actual generating fashion styles. But if you're really into surface pattern design, for example, if you're into print on demand softwares, if you want to be selling print on demand t-shirts or print on demand clothes, print on demand bags, and you want to create surface patterns. Now, this AI software is something that you should look into. It's called patterns.ai. Here you can create all kinds of patterns. You can either create patterns from a prompt or you can create patterns from a gallery. If you go to gallery, you see all kinds of patterns that they already have that you can use. Look at all these patterns. You can get it from here as your base pattern and then change one or two prompts using the same method I use. You can get the picture, put it on ChatGPT. ChatGPT can give you a prompt. You can bring the prompt, adjust it a little bit, and then you create a picture. Or you can just click any of the pictures that you like here to create a pattern. Like this is lovely. If you click on it, it can take you here where you can actually generate it. Incidentally, to sign up, you just put an email. And once you sign up as a free user, you are entitled to just two, I think 20 points or so. And for each pattern generation, it takes away 2 points. That means you can generate just 10 patterns. So once you have something like this, you can download it free or you can generate patterns. You can go back to the gallery and where is it? Click on it. Aha, this is what I wanted to show you. You see the examples of what it will look like on a dress, or a shirt, or a tote bag, or stockings, or pillowcase, and so on and so forth. So if you're into print on demand, you can come here and generate all kinds of patterns that you want. And there's a blog here that you can read a lot on how to do it. There's a prompt guide that actually shows you the kind of prompt you can create if you want. But for me, I always prefer you take that picture to ChatGPT to create a prompt for you, and then you can now use that prompt and bring it back here, and then just generate your patterns. Once you have your prompt, you place it here, and then generate your patterns. I don't want to go through the process again. It's just the same process that I just showed you previously for you to be able to create your patterns. So that is it for pattern.ai. Let's go to number 4, I think. Number 4 is newarc.ai. Now, if you know how to sketch, maybe you know how to sketch different kinds of designs, cloth designs, shoe designs, bag designs. If you know how to sketch and you want to see your sketch come to life, you want to visualize your ideas, this is the AI tool to use. It brings your sketch to life. It makes you see exactly what your sketch will look like. It brings it to the 3D form of it. So you actually see it how it will look like. I will not go into the details of how you can use it because in my YouTube channel, I have a dedicated video. This video right here, where I talked about step by step how you can convert your sketches to 3D, how to bring your sketches to life. I'm going to link this video right below this video so that if you're interested in learning how to use it, you can go ahead and watch that video and then you can begin to use it to turn your sketches to real life forms, to turn your ideas and your drawings to beautiful images in seconds. So go ahead and check out that video if this is what interests you. I will link it directly below this video. And let's go to number 3. My number 3 position is resleeve.ai. You can do about two things with Resleeve. You can generate fashion styles and you can also create a model to train to be able to showcase your styles. Now, I'm not going to take you through how to create a model to train because it will take long. I'll need to do a dedicated video showing you how to do that if it is something you're interested in. But just to show you that with resleeve.ai, you can also generate fashion styles with prompts. So what I'll do, I'll go back to my chat GPT, I'll copy this prompt. Remember this prompt that we used for this our beautiful dress. I'm going to copy it and I'm going to go back to the sleeve and I'm going to paste it right here. And I'm going to ask Assist maybe to do it well for me. No, let me do enhance my prompt. So the AI will enhance my prompt for me, making it much better. But what I don't like about this with sleeve is that everything takes too long. It takes too long. It lags a lot, you know. But if there's something that you want to use, you can go ahead and use it. It has refused to enhance my prompt, so let me just go straight to create and see whether it will create something for me. You see, it takes so long, too long. It's like it has created this. Okay, okay, not too bad. I'm not too far away from the real dress. That's the real one right here. Just that it's a little bit longer here. It's a longer gown. So simply means that you can create your pattern styles also from prompt with resleeve. But as I said, it's slow and a little bit laggy. But it's good to know that there's something like resleeve.ai that you can use as an AI fashion tool. You can go ahead and try your hands on it and see maybe there are one or two things that you can use it for that I have not discussed. Please drop your comments below, or if you've used it before, you can also drop your comments below, especially using it to train an AI to be able to showcase your styles. That I am yet to use this for. So that's my number three. Now let's go to number two. My number two is lookfashion.ai. Now, what is particularly interesting about this look is that you can actually create your style and see it in real life. You can synchronize your iPad and your PC. You have a lot of these sketching apps that you can use on your iPad, and then you add it to this look so that when you're sketching using this app on your iPad, you'll see it real life, just like you're seeing it here. And what you can actually connect is Procreate app that you can use to draw your designs. You can connect it to this lookfashion.ai so that as you're sketching, you're actually seeing it real life, what it looks like, just like you see here. Another thing you can use lookfashion.ai to do is sketch to image, just like in newarc. So it's similar to newblack where you can just draw your sketches and then you can convert it to see what it will actually look like on the body of virtual models. And the good thing here is that it gives you different variants of your style, as you can see here. If you don't know where to do some good sketching, there's this app or website called repsketch where you can actually do some sketching and really not from scratch. You can just do beautiful sketchings or even download some sketching that other people have done. If you don't know what repsketch is, on my YouTube channel, I have a video dedicated to that, this particular video. I'm going to link it below this video. You can go ahead and watch it and see what repsketch is all about and how you can use it to create sketches. It's just like this sketch you see here. So that once you've created your sketch, you can now bring it back to lookfashion.ai, upload it, and then get variants, different kinds of variants to your style. Another thing, you can just do a draft of any style and then convert it to images. Those are wonderful things you can do with reps with lookfashion.ai. Another thing is that you can upload different styles, pictures. That is, upload different pictures, and lookfashion.ai can combine these styles to generate different kinds of styles for you. So what you do is maybe upload some designs, upload it here, maybe 3 different designs, and then lookfashion.ai will combine these designs and generate, wonderful looking designs. So those are wonderful things you can do with lookfashion.ai. If you come down here, you'll see some frequently asked questions where you can actually find out how is this different from other fashion AI tools and all that. So all your questions are answered right here. So go ahead and try look and see what and what you can use it to do as a fashion enthusiast, and see how it can actually help you to bring your ideas to life. And now let's go to the number one AI tools that you need to know. Now, my number one of my 8 AI tools for fashion design and the home sewer is the new black AI. The reason that this is my number one is because everything I've told you from the 7 AI tools, you can do it in the new black AI. Everything from designing clothes from prompts to virtual try-ons to models to branding to creating AI tech packs and all that. You can do it with the new black AI. For instance, if you want to design, you can try your text to image, text to 3D, text to videos, image to image, image to 3D, image to video, image to text. I have a video on my YouTube channel where I talked about the new black, but the new black has new features right now, today, that I can show to you. So I'm going to do some dedicated videos on the different things you can do with the new black. It's so many. But in this video, I just want you to know about the new black AI in case you have not heard of it. It is a place you can do quite a lot when it comes to fashion design for the home sewer. So go ahead and go to the new black, try your hands on it, see all the things you can do with it, see the kind of designs you can do with it, see how to create virtual try-ons, how to create 3D models, how to do branding, how to even do tech packs, and how to get fashion trends. All you can do with the new black. That is how amazing the new black AI is. Try your hands on it and then drop your comments below. Which ones have you used before from the 8? Which ones are easy for you to use? Drop your comments, drop your challenges, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. So those are my 8 AI tools for fashion design and the simple home sewer. I hope you were able to get 1 or 2 things from this. And thank you so much for watching this video to the end. So stay tuned for my next video.